What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we have another unboxing. We're doing a Born Pretty unboxing, and you guys, this gel polish set is marvelous. I love it. There are 6 colors, I believe, or maybe there's 8. I'm almost sure there's 6 colors. Yeah, there's 6 of them. And you guys already know how I feel about Born Pretty gel polishes. If you've seen my previous unboxing, this is my second unboxing from them, and I just love it. It's just so pleasurable. I don't know what it is about the formula, but it's a really nice formula. Like some gel polishes, you can layer them and they layer very well. Other gel polishes, they don't really layer very well. So with this one, I can get a fully opaque coverage with one application, and so I can layer it, you know, before I cure, and it works very well, and I really enjoy that. And the consistency is, it's not too thin and it's not too thick, so it's super good for beginners because it's easy to work with. But you guys will see that once we swatch out the colors. And then this is just an unboxing, but I am going to be recording a set that I'm going to create with these. And I was thinking, I love the colors so much that I want to do like sweater nails, but I was thinking of doing a this or that video and doing 2 different designs. I was thinking of doing one sweater nail design, and then the other one I wanted to like try to paint flowers onto the nail. I don't know why I want to try to do that. It's something about the colors. I want to create some kind of cute fall look with these colors. Like, look at this beigeish color. Oh my gosh, as a base color. And then when you guys see the other colors, I don't know, I'm hoping I come across like the perfect little tutorial on Instagram to give me like a solid idea of what I'm looking to do. But anyways, so thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another video. How are you guys doing? I need you to drop some comments down below and let me know. It's been a wonderful week. I have been able to interact with you guys more, and we're really getting ready for our giveaway that we will be having soon. And I'm actually going to have a really awesome, quick, super simple, easy giveaway that I'm gonna do. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm gonna reveal all the information on a video soon. I'm gonna have to sit down and like draft out all my videos and like come up with the plan so that I can pull all of this off, because if you guys follow me on Snapchat, then there's a little surprise that I have for you guys. And all of my subscribers and followers over on Snapchat, you guys already know. I'm just waiting for one of you guys from Snapchat to come over to YouTube and be like, hey, didn't you say? And then just let all the worms out of the can. But we haven't gotten there yet. So if that doesn't happen sooner than I'm able to update you guys, then I will update you guys and you'll know everything. Look at this color. I think this was my favorite one. And these are just the bottle pulls. We are going to go ahead and swatch the colors out as well, so you guys can drop a comment and let me know which colors are your favorites, what ideas come to mind for nail designs. Oh no, this one is the favorite. This one's darker than the other one. Yeah, this one is my favorite, and it's totally like looking good for some blood. Something about these colors just made me really want to start doing Halloween nails and really want to start doing fall nails. So I'm just so thankful to finally be coming around, because before we notice, October is going to be over, and you know, I would like to create some cute spooky nail designs. So I do have some of those coming soon. We're going to be unboxing, actually I have the package right here next to me. We're going to be unboxing a brand called Nailwind, and I have some gel polishes from them, so you guys are going to see that. They're from Amazon. And we have some more unboxings coming up from Madam Glam. We have some really exciting stuff coming from Madam Glam, and I'm going to be showing you guys the next upload is I'm going to be creating a nail reserve set. It was just a super simple set. I wanted to use these 2 colors together and see how they contrasted, and it turned out pretty cute. It wasn't as drastic as I would have liked of a contrast, but it was cute, so you guys are going to see that. I'm trying to think if I have any more updates for you guys, but I don't think so right away. I will be back shortly. I'm going to let you guys enjoy a little bit of this video because I know I talk too much, you guys. Okay guys, and here are the final results. Literally, they're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. There's like a brown and a beige, and then there's like a mustard and an orange, and then there's like a red and a burgundy, and it's just so beautiful. So you guys are gonna see these colors popping up very soon on a beautiful sweater nail set, and I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna do such a good job. I feel so inspired by these colors, and I think that's one of the most enjoyable things about Born Pretty is that their products really inspire me. So stay posted, you guys. I will be creating those nail sets soon. I think I'm gonna do this or that, so I'm just gonna go for it, and I think it's gonna turn out really cute. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in a future video. And should I upload twice today? Drop a comment and let me know, or inbox me on DM. DM me on Instagram and let me know. I think I am going to. But anyways, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.